from the 21st of the 11th month of 1436, the 8th through 11th night hour, divide them into 12, vision of the clouds around the chair. As I was wiped away, as like unto a wind sweeping something up, I was taken to a cubical room inside a place shaped like New Grange of County Meath, Ireland. There was a self-contained glowing neon yellow cloud that filled the room. I set up an onyx black throne. On its 4 legs was a total of 8 sigilia. I perceived that the chair was facing south. On the side of the front right leg that faced south was a golden sigillium with red and blue flecks to represent the opposition to Ga'ap or Tap and his legions. Then going clockwise was a red and orange one against the likes of Morax or Marax. A tin blue one to banish Epos or Epias or Epes or Eporos. A green one to exercise Ain or Aim or Aini or Haborium. A silver one to exercise Naberiaus or Ferris. A red and purple one against Plasla Labalas or Gras I Ala Balas. A green one of opposition to Bime or Boon or Beam or Bine or Bean, and a silver one with red flecks against Ronov or Ronob or Raneda. On the top of the black of the throne were 18 spears of alliance. They each contained a sigillium of the Shem Ha Mafarash. Sigilia numbers 10 through 14 were engraved in light green. Shem Ha Mafarash sigilia numbers 15 through 20 were in dark red dents upon these spheres. Sigilia numbers 21 to 26 were in metallic blue. Shem Ha Mafarash sigillium number 27 was in light yellow. A red cloud and a blue cloud almost seemed to battle it out in the room around me. Both clouds were as bright as the dying embers of a fire. The neon yellow continued to fill the space that the other 2 clouds did not. I felt an alternating buzz. I was left feeling very heavy and dizzy and could not walk well to make it to the bathroom and wash up. So I went back to sleep. In the brief sleep that had me waking up midway between dawn and sunrise, I returned to the mountain with small blocky buildings built into its side. I slept better than any day since Monday then, when the rest of the morning's sleep was included. When I woke for Fajr as-Salah, dawn horizons, I was feeling very well. You